a boat coming right for us. I hope they see us. Good morning, boys and girls. This morning I just got off work, like 20 minutes ago. It's 6:30. Well, we're about to go have some fun on the lake. Do our best to maybe catch a fish. I don't know, probably not the greatest. We do have our wonderful little kayak on top of our truck today, and we just stopped and got some breakfast. So I'm gonna slam that, change my clothes into something way more comfortable than this stupid outfit, and yeah, I'll see you out on the water when we see it. I tell you, man, you can't beat it. It's only $1, and it's a breakfast burrito that is actually okay. So I'm gonna slam this, and then we'll be getting on our way here pretty soon. Alright, boys and girls, we are here. I still have to get changed because I'm still in my work uniform, but we are at the beautiful lake. So, I'm gonna get changed, gonna get the kayak off the roof, and I'll meet you on the water. Here, we are pretty much unpacked, ready to go. Yeah, we just gotta get her in the water, which is not far. This is her on her nice little wheels, ready to go for a nice little day of fishing. Just gotta lock the car up, and we're out of here. Well, guys, welcome to Bartlett Lake. It's a gorgeous lake. I'll show you here in a second. Super chill water, no wind. We're coming up on our first little cove, if you will. Yeah. So if you're curious about the kind of kayak I use a Tarpon 140 by Wilderness Systems, and I love it. It's got a rudder system. You steer with your feet. It's great. There's some people having fun out on some jet skis. We got some other fishers out here. It's just gonna be a good day. We're just gonna enjoy our day on the water, and yeah, I'll give you a look around. So yeah, I'm gonna get some lures tied up, and we're gonna try to fish a little bit. And even if we don't catch any fish, we're gonna go exploring today. This is quite the lake. It's definitely more like tall than it is wide. It's a very narrow lake, but that's cool. You know, it makes it easy to go up and down. Anyway, let me get some lures tied up, and let's get to fishing. All right, we're gonna try our first few casts with just this little jig here. Using a super old school rod that, like, I guess you'd say my step grandfather gave us. So I fixed it up. It's just this super old school spinning rod. Yeah, let's give it a few flicks. There were some fish breaking water over here already, so. Already, first cast, first snag. That's pretty cool. Lucky. It's good luck for the day. Oh, we got it free. Yep, that is good luck. Nice and weedy on the bottom. Alright, so we've been here out here about, I don't know, an hour, maybe more. Been fishing this little cove for a while. I can see the fish breaking water, but man, no matter what I put on there, they don't want worms, they don't want jigs, they don't want nothing today. So we're gonna go on a little exploration. We're gonna travel, see if we can find a better place. And yeah, I bought a Sawyer kit, which I've never used. Hold on, we're gonna hit these rocks. Pretty bird. Yeah, let's get turned around here. So let's go check out right over there on that flat rock. We can go down, keep going past it. So we'll see what they got. It was a gorgeous day on the water. It's supposed to be 106 degrees today, but when you're on the water, man, you just can't tell. And that's the greatest thing ever. Anyway, I was saying, I've been on the water for quite some time now, and I do have some regular water, hydro flask full of water, but I did buy a Sawyer kit, which is like a life straw, I'm sure you guys know, and I'm curious to try it. Almost skeptical, because this water's, you know, bright green, but curious to know what it tastes like. Maybe good, maybe bad. I'll let you guys know when I try it. I bust out here in a minute. Oops. Anyway, I'm gonna get to that rock over there and we'll check it out. If it's no good, we'll keep going. I kind of like that rock, those rocks over there. They look like they're like falling. Like one little movement, all those rocks could go falling. Anyway, we'll go check it out. Look how cool all this is, man. Just a straight rock up. So cool. It doesn't look very fishy, but you know what? We'll try it. And here in a minute, we're gonna do the. We're gonna try the Sawyer too. All right, guys. We are having no such luck with fish. I don't know what's going on. There's lots of fishermen around. I don't think they've caught anything either. It's just one of those days. Anyway, I'm gonna try out my Sawyer system. Now, I'm sure you guys know how this works and what it is. It's just a filter that goes on the end of a bottle or this bag, or you know, a straw. You can drink it straight from whatever. So take a look at this water. I don't know if you can see how green it is. That's some pretty green water. Now I know that's probably just from the algae on the ground, but you know, I've never drank lake water before, but we're gonna try. We're gonna see if it tastes any good. I'll let you know how it tastes. So let's just do it. Let's dunk this in, and try not to lose it, because God, Lord knows I can lose. I'm very capable of losing it. There's a boat coming right for us. I hope they see us. Stuff like that makes me nervous when I'm on a little kayak all the time, especially on a lake with lots of jet skis and stuff. They look like they're having a good time. One day, right? One day. One day. Anyway, I think it's pretty much full. So, it's about full. And I think all you gotta do is, it says unscrew cap, fill bladder, screw the flow side, you know, this way, and then squeeze the bag, but not crazily. Let's see how it tastes. It's not very cold either. Man, they be moving the boat. Holy shit. Talk about waves. It's all from that one boat. Anyway, actually, it don't taste bad at all. Worst part about it is it's warm, but that's to be expected when it's 106 degrees out. Yeah, if anything, it tastes plasticky. Yeah, and I think that's just because I'm biting this. Maybe, I don't know. But yeah, not bad. Wouldn't be my first choice, you know, couldn't taste amazing, but it doesn't taste bad either. Cool. I'll put that back in my little bag, and yeah, I guess we'll just go, we are trolling a little minnow, but I didn't see it to do anything. I'm gonna that just so I can get it back in my little bag. But cool. Just drank lake water for the first time ever, and I gotta say I've had worse. Here come jet skis. Go again with the waves. head more that way. Let's find some more. Boys and girls, we may actually have a fish on. Holy shit, hold on. I think there's a small possibility we have a fish. It's probably just tiny, but I think we have a fish. We don't have a fish. Never mind. Well, I guess the vulture can get a fish, but can I? No, of course not. There's two vultures, one on the rock there and one right there. They get lunch, but I can't. Alright, we're coming up on this cove over here. And nice and secluded, no one's around, no jet skis. Maybe this will be our lucky break over here. Because God knows we've been out here since like, I don't know, 7:30 a.m. It's probably close to noon. I haven't looked at my phone ever since I've been here. I've been just enjoying the water, enjoying the weather. 106-degree weather, but it's not so bad on the water. Yeah, just enjoying good old fishing. Even though I'm getting skunked right now, being on the water, man, there's nothing better. And it's even, you know, a boat's cool, but something about a kayak, man, you're just like, you're right there. Right? The water is right there. So it's just so nice. Really wipes out the temperature. I don't know. I just love being on a lake. I've never been to this lake. If I didn't say before, this is Bartlett Lake in Arizona. Usually go to Lake Pleasant, which is a bigger lake, but way busier. This one is not busy at all, at least not today, and it's a Friday. So, it's good. I was able to park right on the shore. Usually I have to park on the street over at Lake Pleasant somewhere and then walk the boat. And, yeah, that's strictly because it's so busy. But yeah, so we're gonna check out this little cove. Looks real nice. Hopefully there's a fish or two. And if there is a fish or two, I will be sure to show you guys. Yo guys, I tied up to this tree and look at this gnarly spider. He's just hanging out next to me. Super gnarly spider. And we got a really pretty white bird back here. I don't know if y'all can see it. Anyway, back to fishing. Boys, we legit have a fish. They finally wanted to eat the craw. Look, we actually have a fish, boys. Oh my goodness. Finally, we have a fish. Oh, he's fighting. Finally, we caught one, boys. Oh, oh, I even lost my craw. He's just on the hook. Oh, oh, he's going for another run. He's trying. He's a fighter. This boy is fighting. Woo! All right, let's see if we can get him in. Ugh. Ow. What the hell? There we go, boys. Fish on the board. Finally. I knew this little cove would produce. Let's get that hook out of his mouth. Got him right in the lip, which is good. Oh, almost lost our fishing rod. But yeah, look at that, boys. Finally, all day. This is what we've been looking for. All day. Oh, let me make the camera. Woo! He's not bad either. Big boy. Yeah. Alright. I'll let him go. There he goes. Woo! Finally, all day. They want the crawdad. So we're gonna put another one on. Finally, we got another fish. Or not another one, our first fish. Holy shit, it only took a million hours. But this is what they're eating, or this is what he ate, you know, finally. Crawdad. So we're gonna get him more out there. This little cove, I knew I had fish in it. I knew it would produce. And it did. So yeah, we're gonna keep on fishing. I'll let you know if I catch another one. Well, either the stick is pulling drag or we got another one, boys. Oh, another good one. Come on. Wait, maybe? I can't tell. Is this a fish? Or am I snagged? I think I'm actually just snagged. Hard to say. Everything is there. Oh my goodness. Tall fishing pole, please. Stop making me look like a fool. There we go. Everything's there except for the bait. So who knows? We'll tie up another one. We got another one, boys, for sure. Look at that. He's right there. Yeah, this little cove is producing. He's just a little guy, I think. Oh, he's trying though. He's definitely trying. Let's lose his drag. See if he can pull some drag. Pull some drag. Oh, okay. He's running. He's right by my feet. And lo and behold, there he is. Yeah. Right in the side of the mouth again. All right. Look at that. Just a little wee guy again. This rod is so long. Oh goodness, I can't. It literally keeps slipping away from me. All right, there we go. Just a baby. He is just a baby. So we will get this little guy free of the hook. He did not eat my whole thing. But it was right in the lip, perfect. Alright, let's just this little guy back. He ain't too big. Let's get him back. Alright, let's see. Oh, there he goes. All nice and slimy. Didn't even take my bait. Alright. Let's go for another one. Let's keep going. I mean, the crawdad's working. This little cove is pumping them out. Alright guys, so since we found out where the fish are, I totally am going to make it a goal now. I'm going to use the same setup, crawdad, all that, but I really want to catch it on the super old school reel. I want to see if it could even bring in a fish, to be honest. So I'm going to cast this out a few times, and yeah, if the reel starts screaming, we'll see. She casts okay for being so old. Oh, perfect. Snags always got me excited. Fish are busting still. There's so many in this little cove, though, I just know it. They might be little guys, but hey. If I can catch one fish on this rod, that's all I want. Just one fish on this rod. The funny thing is, I hadn't used the blue rod at all today. I hadn't used the blue rod one time, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna bust out the blue rod. Maybe it'll be good luck. Lo and behold, it was great luck. We caught fish. So I'm gonna try to catch it on this one. That's my goal for the next few hours, is to catch a fish on this rod. Well, boys, we tried and tried and tried with the little rod. No success. It was pretty much every time I casted that little rod, it was a break, a snap, a snag, a break. I don't know. It's just unlucky. So then I switched back to the Lucky Blue, and that little rod must have gave it its bad luck, because I didn't catch anything else on that one either. So last thing I'm gonna do is, maybe you guys can see if there's fish I'm missing. They're still busting all around me, but yeah, how about you guys take a peek for me? Tell me if you see anything. Nothing? I didn't think so. Alright, well, I guess we'll just have a nice paddle home. It's about 5 o'clock, got here by 7 a.m. It's been here by 10 hours. Only caught 2 fish. 2 dinks at that. So, alright, well, let's enjoy the paddle home. Well, boat's all packed up. She's back on the roof. Yeah, that was my first time at Bartlett. I really enjoyed it. Let me turn this air down. It might be too loud. I really did enjoy it. Yeah. So let me know. Do you guys only enjoy these videos if fish are caught, or do you guys enjoy them just because you like staying outside, because maybe you can't get outside? I mean, let me know, because I enjoy going outside, and I enjoyed filming it today too. So yeah, if you want to see more, just let me know. Anyways, long drive home now, so maybe we'll get a little bit of that. But until next time, guys, peace. Alright guys, we made it home. We're home safe. I thought I'd end the little video with, I don't know, some dog love. As you guys see, my pups. I got a Great Dane and a miniature mutt. I don't even know what she is. But anyway, you know, if you like this video, if you want to subscribe or hit like or even comment, those things help. Don't have to, obviously, but yeah. I'm an amateur fisherman. I'm also an amateur filmer. So any tips or critiques are more than welcome. Anyway, I hope you, ladies and gentlemen, have a great morning, afternoon, or evening. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. What? Yeah, I probably do. Not bad, pups. Not bad, pups. Alright. Alright, sit. Sit. Good boy. Good girl.